Right now in our game, our player is at a good point where he can attack, we can run, we can jump, and everything is really fluid. I hope you guys so far enjoy where we are in this course. The last thing that really we need to do for our player before we get into expanding into other areas of this course, such as collectibles, our shop, our enemy AI, as well as our damage and health system, is really getting to a point where now our camera is going to follow our player. You'll see here that right now we've been working in a static environment, but when I go over here, it'd be nice if our camera followed us. Now, there are easy solutions to this. One solution is to simply put the camera inside of the player, but that's kind of dirty and it's not really recommended. One of the things that we can do is we can actually use the new tools of Unity, which include things like Timeline Cinemachine, and we can actually use Cinemachine as our camera. We can use a virtual cam to control how we want the main camera to move and follow our player. So to get started with this, we need to import Cinemachine. Now, the old way of doing that would be to go to the asset store and look for Cinemachine. Inside the new Unity 2018.x versions, we have what's called the Packet Manager. And the Packet Manager allows us to basically grab Unity-owned components and add them to our project. So to do this, you're going to go to Window, Package Manager, and it's going to open up a panel called the Package Manager. Looks like this. With this open, there are two folds here. We have what's already in our project, and then we can go to the All tab. And this is all of the packages that are available for import from Unity. So we have things like Pro Builder, we have Cinemachine, post-processing, the rendering pipeline, the new scriptable rendering pipeline, and the new shader graph, and TextMesh Pro. So these are things that you would just simply import by clicking this install button. So for our camera system, we're going to be making use of Cinemachine. So select Cinemachine and select install. This is going to import the Cinemachine assets, the most up-to-date assets, into our project. Let this finish. And when that is finished, we'll then be able to create virtual cameras.